Hey y'all. So I've turned my patio into a second craft studio or whatever. But I am working on another doormat today. And I'll just show you. Or I guess I can't flip the camera. Anyway, you'll see it in the how-to video. But I am gonna try using this today. So we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. I tape off the edges of my vinyl piece as I am pulling the transfer tape off, and I have another video showing how I do that whole process also. Um, the first thing you saw me do when I came on here is pressing the vinyl down to the mat completely. You want it to stick pretty well because you don't want the pieces flying up or off while you're spraying it. Um, But then because we're using Flex Seal, you want to tape off anything that you don't want covered in the rubberized spray. So I am taping off the entire doormat. And the part that takes the longest on these is trying to get the vinyl to transfer from the transfer tape to the mat. But you want to make sure you hold your um, Flex Seal with the nozzle pointing straight down and kind of pay attention to the areas that need a little bit more spray. And as soon as you're done spraying, peel it off. Peel off the vinyl. Once you've peeled off the vinyl, go back in and remove the pieces that are the insides of your letters. So I did this with a weeding tool. I definitely recommend that you use tweezers for it. It'll work out a whole lot better. All in all, I think the Flex Seal mat turned out amazingly. And when I need black, Flex Seal is going to be my go-to.